Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and today I'm coming on to give you a free tutorial. Varied Vases is in the annual catalogue. It came out last year, and there is a coordinating Vase Builder Punch, so I'm using those. I'm going to use the Basket Weave 3D embossing folder, and then I'm using some of the colours from the 2018-2020 in colours. This is Pineapple Punch. It's lovely and bright. It's a standard card base in the UK, so half a sheet of A4 and then scored in the middle. All of the dimensions, instructions will be over on my blog, which is www.LynnieCDesigns.blogspot.com. I've got two bits cut at 10 by 14.4. One is for the outside and Whisper White for the inside. I'm using a bit of Grapefruit Grove, which is 7.4 by 10.5, and then a bit of Whisper White, which is 6.9 by 10, so 5 centimeters shorter to give a nice little border all the way round. So I'm just going to get straight on and do it. I'll bring in a bit of grid paper. I'm going to have it a side opening card, but I shall go and emboss this back in a moment. And here we are. That is going to be down there, which is beautiful. It gives a lovely, lovely impression. And let's do the stamping. So going to use Grapefruit Grove, Call Me Clover, and Night of Navy. Now what I'm going to do is just get some scraps, do the stamping, some of the stamping on here and some of the stamping on here. I'll show you as I go along. We are going to do the little vase here, and that to stamp it upside down like that. Count to 3. Perfect. Then I am going to do the leaves and Call Me Clover. Now they are that way round, so I'm going to do one on that side and one on that side. I don't know if you're like me, but when I'm cutting down my cardstock, I always have lots of little strips. I save all of mine, and they're perfect for this kind of thing. So those are the 2 leaves, and then I'm going to come in and do little tulips. So full strength for the outline, and then I'm going to stamp off. Hopefully that's in short, to actually fill that in. You don't have to do this, but I think it works quite well to do that. So that's really pretty. I'm going to leave the green open, and I need to stamp the Happy Birthday inside. So birthday wishes on the inside, and on this bit I'm going to stamp Hoping Your Day Blooms with Happiness. That's going to be to the side. Hopefully that's straight. Yes it is. That's perfect. Let's get those off to one side, and then I'm going to add a little bit of a background. I'm going to use these flowers. Just stops this being quite so stark. There we go. And I'm going to do exactly the same just around that. Perfect. Now let's shut that up, shut that up. Now I want to still need to stamp the stems, but you can see I'm just lining that up and then punching that out. Punch it out. The little leaves. Now there is an outline for the leaves, but I'm quite happy just to have a solid piece. There we go. And then the last bit of punch. Again, I'm happy with it. No, these things never work properly. There we go. Perfect. So I'm going to have that like that. That like that, like that, like that. So I need to have a stem. So what I'm going to do is ink up part of the stem, and I'm just going to use this as a little bit of a mask on there, on there. Perfect. Oh, fabulous. So I think we are ready to put together. Bits of paper everywhere. Let's take that all out of the way. The flowers, leaves. There we go. So let's get putting this together. So we'll get my liquid glue. Because this is 3D, I'm going to put more than I usually would. Put that there. So let's stick the rest of it down. We'll stick that . Fabulous. Now we need to stick the leaves behind there. So, and I'm going to pop these up on mini dimensionals if I can find them. So let's see. try and hold those on with the dimensional. There we go. Ooh. Fabulous. And before I do that, the blue must not have been completely dry, because that's, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm not really worried about that. I think that just gives it a different, nobody knows what your cards are supposed to look like, so I don't really worry about it. Bloopers are just bloopers. Obviously you know about it because I've shared it with you. So now, do we need some ribbon? We're going to, I don't like wasting, and just stick a little bit under each bit like that, so it's not wasted. So we can turn that over, with a tear and tape, because it will be hidden. Come on, there we go. There we go. And then a little bit of glue there. Again, I'm putting a little bit more than I normally would, just because it's a 3D embossing folder and there's lots of dents and grooves, so I want to make sure that it sticks down properly. There we go. Happy with that. And then I have got some little Night of Navy gems there, which I am going to put on. Now they're from the Happiness Blooms enamel dots, but actually we put some of those. Let's put 1, 2, so last couple of videos I have shared with you. I've also said on my blog there will be other cards using the same set, just to give you a little bit of inspiration, and that's what I've done again today. So click on the links in the description box below. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button down in the corner, and I will see you again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.